Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So in today's video, stick around if you are interested in what you can do to win commercial cleaning contracts, actually for marketing. Where are they and what do you need to do? Okay, so this is what you need to do. One of the main areas of winning commercial contracts in any account is if it's been being done in-house. So if it's been done in-house, that means that someone on their staff is actually doing the cleaning. That is a great opportunity for you as a commercial expert, commercial cleaning expert, to persuade them that you're the best fit. So first, let's break it down into 5 steps. First of all, you've got to make sure that you understand what you can say that actually persuades them that you're the best person. So let's look at the pros and cons. Well, one of the pros is you're an expert. One of the cons, whoever they have cleaning probably isn't. One of the pros is you're going to send someone in no matter what. One of the cons on their end is if someone gets sick, they have to figure out who's going to clean. One of the pros is that you can convince them or let them understand how they can write it off as a tax write-off. One of the cons is they're going to have to cover their insurance. They're going to have to be concerned about pay raises, how they're going to keep them interested, how they're going to retain them. All of that is covered when they actually hire a cleaning customer company like yourself. The other pro that you can convince them of is the fact that you're going to cover all the equipment, supplies, and supervision. One of the cons is they're going to have to cover all the training, supplies, and supervision. And the one thing that I love is the fact that you're not going to have to worry about them looking at someone being trained. That's one of the great things about hiring a professional. They know what they're doing and they're trained. So in your marketing material, on your website, this is a great source of a new customer. That means no one has ever done the cleaning more or less, or maybe they had a company that got rid of them because they thought they were saving money. When you start highlighting things that's actually they're losing out, when they look at paying increases, insurance, all the things that come with having an employee as opposed to a 1099, which is what you would be, you can see how that would be like, oh my God, I didn't see all that, right? That's what you want, right? Okay, 2 thumbs up. So make sure your website, especially your marketing message, conveys that you are the one for when you have someone that's already had it in-house. That's probably an easier fit when it comes to convincing and persuading them that you're the professional. Now, I use convince, persuade. My favorite word is persuade. You want to show them things that you do that you're going to do better than their in-house cleaning. Now, where do we find these opportunities? Well, one of the things you can do is if they're looking for a cleaning person, you can actually apply as a cleaning company. That's right. If they're looking for a cleaning person, that means half the work is done. Now, what you can do is you can reach out to them via phone. Remember, you can call HR, you can call the phone and basically just say that you would like to speak to or get the name, not speak to, but get the name of the person that's in charge of hiring for the cleaning or the name of the person that's in charge of the cleaning. Then what you want to do is you want to take down the information. You want to have their name. So when you call back, you're able to call directly to them. You're able to, address who they are. You've got your thoughts together. So it's not just like a random call. The other thing you can do is you can stop by in person. I understand you guys are looking for a cleaning person. Let me give you the benefits of having a cleaning company and then give them everything that we've just spoken about earlier. The third thing is you can send them an email via their contact information form. If everyone that you look at, you can usually go on Indeed, you can go on Craigslist, you can go on Monster.com, you can go on LinkedIn. These are 4 ways that you can actually go on LinkedIn, Monster, Indeed, Craigslist.com, all of those, and they're usually posting a job for a cleaning person. Now, what you're going to do is flip the script. You are going to persuade them that they should look for a cleaning company and not a cleaning person. So you're going to send them an email. You should have the name of the person that's looking to hire. Send them that email with all that juicy information that I gave you. the message that's going to convince them and show them, persuade them is what we want to say. Persuade them that having a cleaning company as opposed to a cleaning person is a better fit. So these are the things you want to look at, and this is one way to actually take a cleaning job and make it a cleaning contract. Now, if you have any other questions on what you need to do, just take your time, look through this again and again and again. Make sure that you follow up immediately, because if they're looking to hire, they're probably looking to hire within the next week or two. Maybe the previous person quit, and this will be an opportune time, because the main reason why they're looking for a person as opposed to a company is they think it's going to be easier, cheaper, the whole thing. You're going to let them know the value. You're going to explain to them all the things that they may be missing out on. You're going to educate them, which is going to make them think about your company instead of a cleaning person. Now, if you'd like to know more on what you can do to attract, retain, and acquire, whether you're doing commercial or government, make sure you sign up for my free event where I have free masterclass, a free webinar masterclass. I won't keep you on there more than about 45 minutes, where I go over into both things you need to do to actually get government cleaning contracts and commercial, because the whole goal is to get to what? 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Be safe and take care. Bye-bye.